Have you ever looked at a bottle of expensive olive oil and wondered, how can this liquid cost more than some luxury perfumes? Because here's the surprising truth. Some of the world's finest extra virgin olive oils are produced with almost unbelievable care and precision. We're talking about hand-picked olives, ultra-fast processing systems, massive stainless steel extraction machines, laboratory quality testing, and factories that treat olive oil almost like liquid gold. And the craziest part? A tiny mistake during harvesting or storage can completely ruin the oil's flavor, aroma, and quality. That means producing premium olive oil is not just farming. It's science, engineering, chemistry, and tradition combined together. Today, we're going behind the scenes inside modern olive oil factories to discover the real truth about how the world's most expensive olive oil is made. From olive trees growing under the Mediterranean sun, to cold extraction systems, to the beautiful golden green liquid poured into luxury bottles around the world. And trust me, some parts of this process are way more advanced than most people imagine. Let's begin. Olive oil may look simple, but premium olive oil production is incredibly complex, especially extra virgin olive oil. Unlike many cooking oils, high-quality olive oil is not heavily refined or chemically processed. Instead, factories try to preserve the natural flavors, antioxidants, vitamins, and aromas found inside the olive fruit itself. And here's something important. Olive oil quality depends on many factors. The type of olive, the climate, the harvest timing, the transport process, even how quickly the olives reach the factory after picking. Because once olives are damaged or stored too long, their acidity increases and the oil quality drops. That's why premium producers move extremely fast during harvest season. In many factories, olives are processed within just a few hours after being picked. So how does this entire process actually work? Let's break it down step by step. Harvesting the olive groves. And timing is extremely important. Workers carefully monitor the olives as they ripen on the trees, because the maturity of the fruit changes the flavor, color, and quality of the final oil. Some premium olive oils are made using slightly unripe olives. Why? Because younger olives often produce stronger flavors and higher antioxidant levels. But there's a trade-off. They also produce less oil, which makes the final product more expensive. Now, here's where things get interesting. In high-end olive farms, many olives are still harvested carefully by hand. Others use gentle vibrating machines that shake the olives from the branches without damaging the fruit. Large nets are spread under the trees to catch the falling olives. And speed matters, because once olives are picked, oxidation begins immediately, and oxidation can damage flavor and aroma. That's why the olives are quickly transported to the factory, sometimes within only a few hours. And honestly, this stage already feels more like handling delicate fruit for luxury wine than producing cooking oil. But once the olives arrive at the mill, the real industrial process begins. Cleaning and crushing the olives. Now, the olives enter the factory. First comes cleaning. Leaves, twigs, dust, small stones, everything must be removed carefully. Large washing systems rinse the olives with clean water, while conveyor belts move them through the line. Then comes one of the most important stages: crushing. Massive stainless steel crushers grind the entire olives into a thick, dark paste. And yes, that includes the skin, flesh, and pits. Imagine turning thousands of olives into a giant green-black smoothie. That's basically what happens here. Now, here's something surprising. The olive paste already contains tiny droplets of oil, but they're trapped inside the plant material. So the factory must separate them carefully without damaging quality. Next comes malaxation. This is where the olive paste is slowly mixed inside large temperature-controlled tanks. Why? Because gentle mixing helps the tiny oil droplets combine into larger droplets.
This makes extraction easier later. And temperature control is critical. Premium extra virgin olive oil is usually cold extracted. That means the process stays at relatively low temperatures to protect flavor and nutrients. Too much heat can damage aroma, antioxidants, and delicate chemical compounds. So even though the process looks industrial, factories are actually trying to protect extremely delicate natural chemistry. And now comes the most satisfying stage of all, extracting the oil itself.
How the system works: extracting the olive oil. This is where the olive paste finally becomes olive oil. Modern factories usually use centrifuge systems. These machines spin the olive paste at extremely high speed. And this is where physics does the work. Because oil, water, and solid olive material all have different densities. The spinning force separates them automatically. Slowly, golden green olive oil begins separating from the darker olive paste. And honestly, watching fresh olive oil flow out of giant stainless steel machines is incredibly satisfying. The liquid looks almost glowing under factory lights. Now, here's something important. High-quality olive oil is carefully filtered. Why? Because tiny leftover particles and moisture can reduce shelf life and quality. Factories also protect the oil from oxygen and light, because oxidation is one of the biggest enemies of olive oil quality. That's why many factories store olive oil inside sealed stainless steel tanks filled with nitrogen gas. This helps preserve freshness and flavor. And at this stage, the oil is already technically finished. But before it can become luxury olive oil, it must pass strict quality testing. Testing, bottling, and packaging. Now the olive oil enters the quality control stage, and this process is far more scientific than most people realize. Laboratories test acidity levels carefully, because acidity is one of the most important indicators of olive oil quality. Premium extra virgin olive oil must maintain extremely low acidity. Experts also evaluate aroma and flavor. Some oils taste grassy, some fruity, some peppery, others slightly bitter. And interestingly, bitterness can actually indicate high levels of natural phenols and antioxidants. Color is checked too. Premium olive oil can range from deep green to golden yellow, depending on olive variety and maturity. After testing, the oil moves into bottling. Dark glass bottles are commonly used. Why dark glass? Because light can damage olive oil quality over time. Automated filling machines carefully measure exact amounts into each bottle. Then the bottles are sealed, labeled, and packaged. Some premium oils are sold in elegant luxury packaging, almost like fine wine. And that's how olives growing on trees become one of the world's most prized oils. Pretty incredible, right? But honestly, there's even more happening behind the scenes. What's really going on inside the factory? Most people imagine olive oil factories as simple farms with presses. But modern facilities are extremely advanced. For example, factories constantly monitor oxygen exposure and storage temperature. Why? Because oxygen and light can slowly destroy flavor, aroma, and quality. Another hidden system is laboratory analysis. Scientists study fatty acids, antioxidants, and phenolic compounds inside the oil. These compounds influence taste, stability, and even health benefits. And here's something fascinating. Olive oil naturally contains antioxidants like tocopherols and phenols. These help protect the oil from oxidation and are one reason extra virgin olive oil is so valued in Mediterranean diets. Some premium factories even trace every batch back to specific olive groves using digital tracking systems. So while olive oil feels ancient, modern production combines centuries of tradition with advanced food science. Real-life example. Simple comparison. Think about making premium olive oil like making fresh fruit juice from extremely delicate fruit. If the fruit sits too long, quality drops. If the temperature gets too high, flavor changes. If oxygen gets inside, freshness disappears. That's basically how olive oil works. Except instead of ordinary juice,
Factories are producing a highly valuable natural oil with incredibly sensitive chemistry. Interesting facts. Fact 1. Extra virgin olive oil is one of the few cooking oils that can be consumed completely unrefined. That means it keeps many natural compounds from the original fruit. Fact 2. Olive oil naturally contains antioxidants like vitamin E and phenols that help protect the oil itself from oxidation. Fact 3. Some ultra-premium olive oils are harvested and bottled within just a few hours to maximize freshness and flavor. Pretty amazing for something many people simply pour onto salads, right?